The OBDPEAK K50 is a sophisticated automotive accessory designed to elevate your driving experience with a range of advanced features. This product seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology to provide a comprehensive solution for in-car connectivity, navigation, and safety. Here's a detailed description of its key features. 1. Display. The OBDPEAK K50 boasts an impressive 10.26-inch display, offering a spacious and crystal-clear interface for optimal visibility and control. The 13-inch screen ensures a responsive and intuitive user experience, adapting to user preferences and enhancing the overall usability. 2. Performance. Powered by a robust 4G plus 64G configuration, this device ensures fast and efficient performance, allowing for smooth multitasking, quick app launches, and ample storage for data and applications. The Android 13 operating system provides a modern and customizable interface, enabling users to tailor their in-car environment to their liking. 3. GPS navigation. The K50 is equipped with advanced GPS navigation features, ensuring accurate and reliable navigation to your destination. Real-time traffic updates, turn-by-turn directions, and points of interest contribute to a seamless and informed driving experience. 4. Connectivity. With support for 4G connectivity, the device ensures a constant and reliable internet connection on the go. Carplay and Android Auto compatibility enhances connectivity with smartphones, enabling access to audio, calls, messages, and other apps directly from the device. 5. Dual lens dash cam. The inclusion of a dual lens dash camera enhances safety and provides a comprehensive view of both the road ahead and the vehicle's interior. High-resolution cameras capture clear and detailed video even in challenging lighting conditions. 6. Rear view mirror video recorder. Serving as a rear view mirror, the K50 incorporates a video recorder to capture events behind the vehicle, aiding in parking and improving overall safety. Automatic recording during incidents ensures that valuable footage is saved for later review, potentially serving as evidence in insurance claims. In summary, the OBDPEAK K50 4G plus 64G 10.264G Android 13 AI screen GPS navigation CarPlay Android Auto dual lens, dashcam, rear view mirror video recorder is a feature-rich and seamlessly integrated device that combines entertainment, navigation, and safety features for an enhanced driving experience.